everyone, welcome to Kalpa Art. In today's video, I am going to draw 10 different mandala patterns in real time. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone who already enjoys drawing mandalas, I hope these patterns give you new ideas and inspiration for your own artwork. One thing I always tell my students is that every intricate mandala starts with simple patterns. When we look at a finished mandala, it can seem complicated. But if we break it down, it is simply a collection of small elements repeated thoughtfully and consistently. As you watch these patterns, don't worry if you cannot draw them perfectly on your first attempt. Mandala art is not about perfection, it is about observation, patience, and practice. In fact, even if you don't practice these patterns immediately, simply watching them carefully can improve your pattern making sense. Pay attention to the grids, the spacing, the flow of the lines, and how the elements are arranged. Your brain starts learning these formations even when you are only observing. One important thing to notice is how simple strokes can be transformed into beautiful designs through repetition. Many beginners think they need hundreds of different patterns to create a mandala. The truth is, a single pattern can be used in many different ways depending on its size, placement, and combination with other elements. The goal is not to force a pattern into a shape. Instead, we adapt the pattern to fit the shape while maintaining balance and harmony throughout the design. Another principle to remember is consistency. In mandala art, you have the freedom to create and modify patterns however you like. But once you choose a particular arrangement within a section or layer, repeating that arrangement consistently around the circle creates the rhythm and symmetry that make mandala so visually appealing. Every artist combines and modifies patterns differently. That is why two artists can use the same basic elements and still create completely unique mandalas. For beginners, my advice is simple. Practice one pattern at a time. Fill a page with that pattern. Then try changing its size, spacing, or formation. This will help you understand how versatile a single element can be. I hope these 10 patterns inspire you to pick up your pen and start creating. Save this video so you can revisit these patterns whenever you need ideas for your mandalas. If you enjoy learning mandala art through these type of videos, your likes, shares, comments and subscriptions help this channel grow and encourage me to continue creating more tutorials and pattern collections for you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video with next 10 patterns.
If you enjoyed this session, like, share, comment and support me for more videos. See you in the next video.